Okay, in this video we're going to be making the foundation plan. So we're not going to do the whole foundation plan, we're just going to make the base of the foundation plan. So we're going to come right over here in the grade beam sections, because this has the boundary right over there. So I'm just going to copy everything from here. So let's just select and copy everything from here. Let's take a point, and then I'll just specify base point. I think I did specify the base point. There we go. And right now I'm just going to paste it right over here. There we go, it's done. Now the thing I have to do is I'm going to lock up the column layer and also the grid line layer. So let's see, where is the column layer? There you go, column layer locked up, and then we're going to go for the grid line layer. There you go, grid lines layer, both are locked up. Now everything that's inside I'm just going to easily select it and then delete it, and everything else is gone except the columns. So this is what we wanted. Now I'm just going to unlock these two layers. There we go, it's done. Now we're going to have to create another layer, and that layer is going to be called foundation or footing, and then we can start placing the foundation or footings as per the requirement of the design, or the design that has been done by myself, us, or maybe someone else who has done the structural design. Right, so let's just make a layer. There you go, create layer. Here we're just going to create a new layer, and we're going to call this layer, let's call it foundation PL. PL meaning plan, foundation plan. We're just going to do the plan drawing here. And then the color, let's give it a reddish color. Well, that color actually matches up with the column color, so I'm going to change a little bit of the shade of the red color. It's kind of orangish color right now, or we can go for a solid some different kind of a solid color, but I'll just go with this one right now. So click on OK, it's done. Now we're going to change the line weight from here. So the foundation's line weight is going to be a little bit more. Okay, so we're gonna go with 0.30 millimeters. Click on OK, and it's done. There you go. Now if I look, you can find foundation plan right over there. So we have our foundation plan right over here as well. Okay, so that was it for this video. In the next video we're going to start placing the foundations according to